How you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I got a gem of a radio to show you from Jeff's collection. We're going to do that right now with this guy out of the way. He's even got it stored in a jewelry box, or what I think is a jewelry box. Jeff is very good at reusing pouches and little boxes like this to store his radios in. That's a great idea. Keeps them from getting damaged. And this one is a gem, so you don't want to get it damaged. And here it is, right here. Right there it is. It's a Sony model ICF-SW10. It's a 12-band radio, about a 1994 to 1999 vintage. He got it for $80 off the Facebook Marketplace. It's in very, very good condition for this older radio. Let me move this out of the way. Let me show you the bands. Ooh, lots of reflections. The shortwave is in bands, so it's not continuous. It goes from about 4.75 up to about 23 megahertz. And then we have the long wave band, we have a medium wave band, and an FM band. Down here is the on-off switch. Here is the tuning knob, cloth carrying strap. Over here we have the earbuds, the DC adapter jack, and the volume control. Up here we have the telescopic antenna. It even, back then, this was very unusual, it has a kickstand. Look at that. The telescopic antenna is about 24 inches. Uses 2 AA batteries. In his notes, Jeff said the medium wave is not the strongest, but and this is due to the limited room for the medium wave antenna. It's still quite adequate, he says. And the sound is very high quality. So let's try it out. Let's turn it on here. On-off volume is down here. It's long wave. We're not going to get anything on log wave here where I live. So this is the band select. Let's go up to medium wave. Whoop, went right past it. There's medium wave. There's a tuning indicator right there. Let's go, and this is the dial for long wave, medium wave, and FM, and then this is all shortwave. So let's turn the volume down, and I'm going to go down to the bottom of the band, and the radio probably wants to face away from the camera, so we'll see if that has an effect. Turn the volume back up. Tuning is really smooth. Should be a station right in there someplace. Yeah.
Right away, and that
there we go.
Mike Evans. I don't even know if Chris Godwin is going to play, but if he is, they got to get both of those guys involved right away. And Baker is going to have to take great care of the
audio.
Football,
very good.
Make some plays, and Rashad White has to be a big
very
part
clear.
of what the offense does. I think he will be on Sunday against Louisville.
Totally analog. See, I'm trying to see if it's directional.
800-880-1344. 800-880.
And extra people, they're a little bit light because
the
time
see,
of the year they prepare for
it is directional. Try tuning it this way.
A daily supplement designed.
Very easy tuning. I gotta learn to speak Spanish. There's so many Spanish stations near me.
To Minnesota. Minnesota to speak with Marianne.
Very clear.
Marianne, how can we pray?
Audio is very clear. Yeah, Jeff, I think the medium wave is pretty good. Let's try FM. Let me turn the volume down here. And see, you can see the little indicator there. Long wave, medium wave. And it's on medium wave. And now it's on FM. And then when you're on the short wave bands, the indicator of the band is up here on the top. So let's extend the telescopic antenna. It does swivel. Okay, let's see if I can get it swiveled. And a little more, very carefully. Turn the volume back up. Okay, we're going to have to watch out for music. We're going to go pretty fast.
1-800-747-FREE. We'll help you take that. Call
1-800-747-FREE.
That's 1-800-747-3733.
Oh, yeah. Wow. Picking up a lot of stations. Like I say, I'm going kind of fast. Trying to avoid music. More Spanish.
Tampa.com, theanswertampa.com, and at Facebook.com.
I don't know if the
Please stand with me as I
earphone jack gives you stereo or not. Whoa. Whoa. Lots of music. Okay. I have to go pretty fast. Lots of music. It picks up a lot of stations. Let's see if there's any chance. It's like 4 in the afternoon here in Clearwater, Florida. I don't think I'm going to pick up anything on shortwave with this telescopic antenna plus the time of day, but we're going to try. I'm going to try 10 megahertz. There's a 10 megahertz band way up here. Oh, there's Spanish station. 9.5 something. Another station. Can't quite tune it in. No. Okay, I'll do a shortwave scan using a clip-on antenna in another video. So this is about it on this. I want to thank Jeff for loading these radios. This is a classic radio. I checked just now on eBay, and these things, used of course, are going up to $250 on eBay. And I've seen some as low as $125. That was about the lowest. Don't know the quality. I didn't look it up. But this is a highly desired radio. So Jeff's got a gem here in this radio. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.